Mike Bordick in the massive broadcast booth. And Mike, after Chris Tillman leaves the game, you got to give a lot of credit to Brad Brock for keeping the Orioles in the game.
Oh, yeah, he really pitched well. I mean, they asked a lot of him. Buck Showalter was hoping he could eat up some innings, and he did. I mean, he came up with some great pitches. He got deep into the ball game, really gave this team a chance. Some huge double plays. Nice turn here. Machado to Scope on to Davis. Another jam here. J.J. Hardy takes his time. Base hit up the middle. No, not with J.J. there. Another double play to get out of a jam. 3 1/3 innings. Just the one hit given up, one walk, and a couple strikeouts. 52 pitches, so really good job by Brad Brock. I mean, it was unfortunate that he had to come in and have to throw that many innings, but Chris Tillman with that early exit called on Brock, and he was in line to be the hero, much like T.J. McFarland was in last night's ball game, as T.J. pitched a couple solid innings in the middle to get to the back end of the rotation, or the back end of the bullpen, but unfortunately didn't work out tonight for the Orioles. Tough loss. It ended up being a 500 road trip, but they really put together some fine ball games. Nice 4-game winning streak after starting this road trip 1-4. This Orioles offense really coming together. A lot of production from everybody in the offense, so a lot of positives. It was a long road trip, but I think they're excited about getting back home, and they better be fired up because there's some tough teams ahead of them. Oakland Red Sox and the Blue Jays.
Mike, you yourself have set records for the most airless games in a row. So you must know what J.J. Hardy is going through, because he's one of those kind of guys that's right out of your mold. You never, ever make errors on routine plays. And tonight, a couple of tough plays that we've come to know him to make so easily. What do you think's going on with him right now?
Well, excuse me. He got to the ball, the backhand really well, made a good play. You know, hopefully, there are a lot of plays that a shortstop will make, have to rush a throw because of the speed of the runner. And unfortunately, Chris Davis, wasn't able to come up with a couple of those picks. I think that one play with the infield drawn in, that was just maybe a lack of concentration. I didn't see if there was a funny hop. JJ's so good, though, at reading balls and able to reach out and take bad hops away. It was just a rough night for JJ. Unfortunate, because I heard you talk about it. We just never see that from J.J. Hardy. He'll be back there tomorrow for this defense. I mean, it's been such a solid defense, historic defense last year, and J.J. Hardy is the backbone of it. Just a rough night for him, but his confidence will be back there. I mean, he's too good of a shortstop to let this affect him.